Hi, my name is Amaya, and I'm going to show you guys my nails. These nails are so long. They're not fake. They're my real nails. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about what I did to grow them. The first thing I did is use vinegar. The vinegar helps my nails grow longer and it whitens. I used milk. The milk made my nails grow a little more longer than what the vinegar had did. And I'm going to be showing you guys a picture of what my nails look like at first. And then I'm going to be making a video how to make fake faces. So this is what my nails look like before. Yeah, and those were my real nails. Those are my real nails, and they were like that long. But now my nails have grown and more than what they were. So yeah, I hope you guys like this. Bye.